So these things are usually kind of interesting. What? These things? Like, you're gonna know what this is? I've looked at something similar to it way back in the past. Feels like a really long time ago. The amplifier.
Everything is a speaker.
Ooh. But this one is more supercharged. It's called the Thunder Puck. It's one of these suction kind of vibration drivers. You stick this thing to a surface and the surface resonates the sound, and depending on which surface you stick it to, you'll get varying performance. You can actually get a ton of sound in a relatively small package by utilizing the surfaces that you have around you. Line in, line out for multiple unit performance, so you can daisy chain 6 to 8 hours of playback from a company called Sound Vibe. Here's to hoping that this one can blow my mind as well. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited now. That's pretty small. Touch controls on the top, play, pause, micro USB. There's an on, off, and Bluetooth switch, a line in and a line out. This is where the magic happens. Little suction cup looking thing on the bottom, just like that. And all of a sudden my table's a speaker. Does it have some juice right now? It does, and it lights up. That's kind of cool. I'm guessing that means it's in pairing. Thunder Puck, 26 watt. Oh my God. I don't know if they can hear this. It's rattling this. Look it. Whoa. It's like nothing, okay? The audio is like nothing when you're just holding it in your hand, and then you stick it to something. Are you ready? Ready? What else you got, Will? Oh! Not that good. Check out my boombox. You know? That's the future. We have, this is glass, it's just an iPad. Oh, that's nice. It smooths it out a little bit. It doesn't clip on the low end. That's weird, no low end. The backside of a whiteboard. That sounds good. Let's be honest, most people are just gonna put them on a table. Like, that's loud. What's better than that? Double that, all right? You double down. Imagine you had like 20 of these. That's a freaky table. It actually turns the table into a huge speaker. This is loud. It's about maximum sound in a tiny little package. You gotta vibrate a little bit. Like, that's just, it's part of it. Willie Do and Otis on their way. Willie Do and Otis on their way. Is that your theme song now? Should we give this a shot then?
Start your free trial today.
No!
I dig it. I dig it. It's smooth. So I agree it's a small portable package. You can bring it anywhere in your backpack and stuff.
How much are they, Will?
They're 90 bucks. Which I think is still a pretty good package.
The next time you go to a party, this is you.
The Thunder Puck.
Yes! You show up to a party, you're like, you can stick it to anything.
Exactly.
Play a couple tunes. Who knows where that takes you?
Yeah. Right to bed.
Willie Doo and Otis, they're on their way.